Hi guys, welcome to another cocktail vlog. With St. Patrick's Day just around the corner today, I'm going to show you how to make 4 super easy, super tasty cocktails perfect for your St. Patrick's Day celebration. Without further ado, let's get straight into it. First cocktail of the day is Irish Boulevardier. It's a twist on a classic Boulevardier with Irish whiskey. So let's get straight into it. First we need some ice, of course. Fill our old-fashioned glass with ice. Of course, you can use a mixing glass, but I like to keep it simple and we're going to make it directly in our old-fashioned glass. So, we're starting off with 30 ml or 1 ounce of Irish whiskey, Tullamore Dew, my favorite. Followed by 30 ml, 1 ounce of sweet vermouth. And last but not least, Italian bitter liquor. I'm using bitter, but you can use Aperol or any other similar drink. 30 ml, 1 ounce. Give it a little stir. Perfect. And garnish with a small piece of orange zest. That's it. Irish Boulevardier. Cheers! And you can't have a St. Patrick's Day celebration without green drinks, can you? So, second cocktail of the day is green mimosa. It's just a classic mimosa with a little bit of Blue Curacao. So, let's get started. Of course, everybody knows the recipe for mimosa. Fill your champagne flute halfway with your sparkling white wine. Top it up with orange juice. And give it just a little bit of Blue Curacao. Give it a little stir to get that beautiful green color. And that's it, green mimosa. Cheers! And of course, what kind of a party would it be if it didn't include any shots? So, third drink of the day is a shot. It's called Baby Guinness. Real easy to make, 2 ingredients only. So, start with coffee liqueur, my favorite is Kahlua. Fill your shot glass 2/3. And carefully layer your favorite Irish cream liqueur, Bailey's, Queen Margot, whichever you prefer, on top of your coffee liqueur. So you basically get something that looks like a mini Guinness. Baby Guinness, boys and girls. Cheers! Fourth cocktail of the day is something that's usually called a submarine. In this case, it's called an Irish car bomb, but whatever you prefer, I leave it up to you. Real easy to make, great for parties. Take your, stout beer. That was unexpected. And fill your glass with Guinness. And take your shot glass, fill it halfway with Irish cream and halfway with Irish whiskey. And when you're ready, drop this in, drink it bottoms up, and watch your teeth. That's it. Irish car bomb. And here you go, guys, 4 easy, super tasty, super simple recipes, perfect for your St. Patrick's Day celebration. Try them out, why not? You can't go wrong with this. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Kick that like button, subscribe for more recipes, and I'll see you in the next one. I wish you all a very happy St. Patrick's Day. Cheers!